Hello, my name is Matthew Stillwell and I'm going to be playing Group 4 from page 23 of the second books in the Hot House drumming curriculum. We'll be playing at a faster speed and then I'll slow it down a little bit for you and you can understand what it's like at both of them. Here's the faster speed to begin with. That's the faster speed, and I'm going to slow it down for you. There you go. That is Group 4 on page 23 of the second books in the Hot House drumming curriculum. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much.